Hello everybody and welcome to the Lynn Life. As I mentioned in last week's video, if you were watching it, we had plans to go to the Chittenango Wild Animal Park. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to go through the drive-through. It's like a safari type adventure. And we've never been. We're going to take a look at it, see how it works. I'm going to have a couple cameras going, this one and a GoPro. And I think Lynn will enjoy it. She'll be able to have animals come right up to the car. She'll be able to feed them. Should be a lot of fun. So let's get going. My name is Jonathan, and I'm a caregiver for my wife Lynn, who has a permanent brain injury. Things are a bit different now, but we're doing the best that we can. Join us as we experience the Lynn Life. All right, we're on Lakeport Road in Chittenango, and it should be coming up here on the left. Never been here before, so I don't really know what to look for. Hey, Lynn, you awake?
Yep.
Where are we going?
To Chittenango.
We're in Chittenango, going to the zoo. I think this is it. This is where we are today. We're on Lakeport Road in Chittenango for the Wild Animal Park, and there's also the Wild Safari. We're opting for the Wild Safari drive-through today. I'll give you information on pricing at the end of the video. Lynn, look, you get some friends. Look.
Got the emus there.
Look, Lynn.
Oh, hello,
Here,
Lynn.
give some. Here, okay. Here. Hey. They don't waste any time. We're going to have to clean the car up.
Back up, brother.
Oh, jeez.
Head
Guys,
back up.
you're not very
Back
nice. Here, Lynn, look. Here. 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 Can you give it a shot?
Oh, that's so funny.
Here. And they just go to town. These are emu. Remember the things you thought were emus? Yeah, it's a little deer.
Looks like a little llama here that needs a shaving. And he can't even
That's
see
a llama of some sort. And some food. Here he comes. Here he comes. Look. I got one. Come here, guys. You are going to take it all. He's grabbing the cup. You got to hang on to it, boy. You got to take it all. That's enough for you. Oh, here we got a cow. I'm going to feed it. That's it.
I think that camel's coming.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Camel. Here. Here.
Oh, he's trying to take mine.
I got a camel in the car. He's taking it, Lynn. I got a camel in my lap.
Mine's already all gone.
Oh, you are piggies. Here, you have some.
I can't eat all that.
Have a little bit more. Then we're gonna go ahead. We gotta see what else is here, okay, Mr. Camel? That's enough. I'm fighting with it. That's enough. You're a good boy. Yeah. You're a good boy. No more. Get it outside a little bit. Do your drop. You got a camel too. He's gonna take your whole thing. He'll take it. There it goes. He took the whole thing. He's a pig. So we got a cow coming on the other side. Oh, there's a... No. He'll take that whole thing, Lynn. He'll take it. He'll take it. We got to keep moving. What do you want? You're coming in, aren't you? All right. That's enough.
Strong beak too on this.
That's enough. It's enough for you. Here. Some of these out. I need to vacuum my car now. deer are in front of the car. That emu makes the weirdest noise. It makes like a grunting noise. Here, hold on.
There's food in
It's
front.
not if you can even go. You can't.
There's food.
You hear my car sensor? It's because
That's some.
I know, I see ya.
Oh my god.
Little deer. Come on, hey. Get a camel in. No, don't do it. We're gonna move ahead.
I'm
We
gonna
get-
get some.
Oh, okay. Better hang on to it. I told you. You gotta hang on to it. We're gonna try to show you some of these cute little deer. Look at these little cute little things.
Beautiful.
Look at this cute little thing.
Almost come and look at.
I know, of course he is. But these cute little things, they don't get any food. They can't reach the car, and the camel is following me. There he is. There is the camel. He's going over. He's got plenty of food. Look, he's got a whole big thing of food there. Incredible. There you are. Yeah, what happens is the emus block the road and the camels ambush you from either side.
Sure, we got ostriches.
What do you think?
I love that.
You like it? That these animals are, you like it when these animals are going crazy on us? Yeah. We got a little bit of a traffic jam up ahead.
Camels coming.
Oh no. We're gonna have a camel head in our car again in a minute. On your side. There he is. There's your, no, wait, no. He'll steal it. We're saving it for some other animals. No.
Let's try.
No. We're going. Bye. There we go. Yeah, he's fine. We got a camel escort. He has his eye on this
Sister, hold
single
up on the left.
cup of food. No. There you go. Yeah, I see ya. Ah! There we got ostriches up ahead. We've already dealt with the emus, and now we got to deal with ostriches. They could potentially be even more aggressive. Think, Glenn, you're going to feed the ostriches?
No.
Huh? They may take the rest of the food. They have these things you drive over when you go through, where they can't stand on that. So they
Separate.
yeah, they're separated.
Deer.
Yeah. The ostriches, we're not going to have any food left for anybody else. Hi. Mr. Ostrich. I'll let you. That's enough. Get out of here. Get. That's enough. I've never, that was a first. Never had an ostrich in my lap or a camel in my lap. That's crazy. A lot of fun though.
Oh,
Did you like that, Lynn?
Like park over there and then the other one.
I'm sorry. You know, your friend the ostrich, he ate everything. He ate it all. I don't have any. Go here. Here. A little bit. That's off my lap. There's more, but that's all I got. Okay? Have a good day. Here, look, Glenn. Look. Zebras. See them? We got a goat.
A goat.
A mountain goat. See it?
Mountain.
That's cool. Hey, mountain goat. There's a car ahead of us. We gotta wait for that car. And we got donkeys over here looking to get food. Of course, we are out of food. I got nothing, but you can pet. How about petting? Can we pet you? Yeah. Do you have a name? I wonder what your name is. Yeah. Still not completely out. We're just away from the very aggressive animals.
These are the buffalo.
Oh yeah, there's
The
buffalo. There's some buffalo. See, we're away from those aggressive animals. These animals are pretty mellow. Yeah, cute little deer. Little fawns look like coming around here. Yeah. Some are so tiny. Oh, there's one with antlers. It's a buck. Look at it. He's gonna come over to you, man.
It's a buck.
Yeah, he's gonna come right over there.
But
He's gonna come over and say hi. Look. You see him? He's looking at you. Yeah, the car's got some food left and they're feeding the emus. Yeah. Yeah, there was like that white emu of some sort. Feeding him too. They come up right to your car. Out here, you got some rhinoceroses out there. See them? See the rhinos? No. They're there. Okay, I think this is the last part here. And there looks like there's a bunch of
Deer.
llamas, deer. But what's sitting right over here, that's a tiger. See the tiger, Lynn? Look to your right, up on top of that platform. It's a tiger.
I see it.
He's not coming down to be fed, though. The only thing he would be interested in is you. Want me to feed you to the tiger? No. Oh, she's glaring at me. Hey, guys. How are you? Yeah. I'd feed you, but your friend the emu took your food. The prices for the wild safari are on the screen. We were 4 adults and we bought 4 cups of food and it came out to $72. For more information, I encourage you to get on their website, thewildpark.com. And if you have kids, this is a must. Come join us on Patreon for even more content and become a Lynn Lifer. Just click the link in our description. Well, that's going to about do it from the Wild Safari drive-through in Chittenango. It was a lot of fun. I think Lynn really enjoyed it. I know we really enjoyed it. Hopefully the animals really enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time on the Lynn Life.